Hello, my name's Chris Whitty, and I work for a Norwegian software company called Xeris. More particularly, we have a software platform we call Xtrade. It's a digital content hub that enables you to collect, to manage, and to instantly distribute product information to your trading partners, to sales and e-commerce channels. We increasingly live in an omni-channel environment. And accurate and compelling product information is going to be central to any strategic approach or digital transformation that you may be undergoing. And this will lead to differentiation over time. Indeed, product information and its labeling has become a central part of selling a product through digital interfaces. The problem that we hear retailers facing is that manufacturers supply their product information in many formats and to varying degrees of detail. And what the retailer needs is some consistency. So there is a lot of time taken up creating that consistency, either at the manufacturer end or more particularly at the retailer end through the category marketeer having to organize and administer product information. But where you may see complexity, here at Xeris, we see an opportunity to simplify and to automate a process. And what we do is we use intelligent adapters to extract the product information from various manufacturer systems. We structure it, we classify it, and then we tailor it to make sure that you get that information in the right formats for your website, for your e-commerce channels, etc., etc. Once you have that structured product information, there is a number of more exciting things that you can do with it. And one of them is Assortment Builder. Now, Assortment Builder, you can create whole product assortments, combining attributes and data sets. You choose the products, you configure, you add images, and you hit export. And that will map to any category configuration. And here we see how you can just take the product information that you require from the manufacturer. Manufacturer supplies a lot of information, and then you choose the relevant bits that you want for that particular topic. Another feature that we have is called Eco Product Search. Now, you've invested time and money in getting your sustainability credentials and EPD certificates, so you want to get visibility for them. But there's also an opportunity for authenticity here as well. What we do is we take your EPD information directly from a digital link to the certification body that you've used to create them, and we map them to the rest of your products and product information on the Xtrade platform. So it's an independent verification that you have a live EPD for that product that's in date, etc., etc. Building authenticity and confidence for anyone choosing or specifying that product. And that sustainability data is part of your product data set, clearly visible to anyone making a product purchase choice or specification choice. Now that you've got your product information structured and you've chosen an assortment, you can now create a data set. And what you use these data sets for is to export to your e-commerce sites, to create specific offers or specific campaigns or promotions. You could be updating an external database, such as an industry database or data pool. You could be exporting information to use in Adobe InDesign, which is probably the tool that your team are using to create price lists and digital brochures. And clearly you can use this also to export data sets in different languages if you're a multinational business as well. And of course, there will be other places where you would want to use this specific to your needs. The last point I'd like to cover here is how Xtrade works with GTIN. GTIN is a unique product identifier number, and it actually is recommended by Google and Amazon Marketplace to be included with product information. And especially they reference images. 20% of all Google search is actually on images. And Google will rank your image higher than a competitor's if it has a GTIN number on it and a clear product description. So using Xtrade, combining with GTIN, can actually increase your product ranking in search terms on these search engines, potentially leading to more conversion, more sales. So in summary, I'd say please get in touch if you found any of this interesting and you'd like to talk further about how you can improve your product management experience of your buyers and end users. If you're interested in freeing up a significant amount of your category marketing teams, admin of product information, and if you want to realize revenue opportunities through having a more holistic, structured, omni-channel approach to your business, and if you want to improve the choice and relevance through assortment and the appropriate data sets that will increase conversion rates for your online business, get in touch with the contact details will follow shortly. Thank you very much for